Okay guys, today we will do an inequalities question, and don't worry, we will go through it one by one. So first of all, we look at the step. Make sure one side is 0 and don't cross multiply. So you need to make sure one side is 0, so I put like this. Oh, sorry. Okay, so your 1 move to the right, the left side, it become -1, and you need to make sure this is this is 0. And then why don't cross multiply? So you can see that if you cross multiply, if you get this, and then it will become like this lah. And then the final answer is only 1. But this condition can be happen only when the less and equal or more and equal is equal only. Okay, so and you see when you do like this, sometimes you also will get no solution, not only in the case of one answer only. So come back to the question. So we just move on. Now you need to combine these two and become one algebraic expression. So how to do? So minus, okay, this one you need to multiply with this denominator. So how it will become, you break it, 5 minus x, okay, over 5 minus x is less than or equal 0. Okay, so now you just do this simple calculation. 3x plus 1 minus 5 plus x. Okay, be careful with the positive signs and negative side. Okay, over 5 minus x is less than and equal to 0. Okay, so now I rewrite the equation. 3x plus x is equal to 4x. 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. Okay, so 5 minus x less than or equal 0. Okay, now you already get this. So the next step is, okay, we need to find the separate value. Okay, so how do we find? Okay, we just find from this equation. Okay, 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So your x is equal to 1. And 5 minus x equal to 0. So, okay, your x will be 5. Okay, this is your separate value. And then now, okay, for this denominator, x becomes 0, cannot become 0, is because you see this x. When your x is 5, now you see 4x minus 4 is over 5 minus 5 is 0. So how do you think the equation be like? The final answer will be like this. Okay, no solution or undefined. Okay, so because this size is include the value you use. Okay, if the sign is only greater than or less than, then the value is not included. Okay, so we move on. Now we need to make a table. So the table, we have 4 columns. So we just draw a 4 columns. Okay, so the first column, okay, we have 3 lines in this table. So what we need to write? Okay, so for the first column, we need to write this, and then this, and all this. Okay, simple, easy. So we just write it out. 4x minus 4, 5 minus x, and then whole thing. Okay, so now we just put the separate value here, the lower value and the higher value. And then how do we find the value that we need to sub for this expression? Okay, it's very easy. For this size, we need to find the value that is lower than 1. So I choose 0. For this size, I want to find the value in between 1 and 5, so I choose 2. For this side, I want to find the value be higher than 5, so I choose 6. So you just simply sub the value inside the expression, every expression. So for now, you see 4 times 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. So I want to put negative sign here. For this, 4 times 2 minus 4 equal to 4, so it's positive. For this, 4 times 6 minus 4 is equal to 20, so it is positive. And the second one is also, so 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, so it's positive. So 5 minus 2 is 3, so it's positive. So and 5 minus 6 is negative 1, so you need to put negative, okay? So the third line, you no need to do any expression, no, you no need to do any calculation anymore. You just need to use the sign that you just get, okay? You see, minus times positive is equal to negative times positive is equal to negative. So this side you put negative, and then you see positive times positive is equal to positive, and then positive times negative is equal to negative. So now you can get your answer easily, but you need to see the question given. Okay, the question is less than and equal. So less than and equal means you want negative side. Positive and more than and equal, greater and equal is means positive side. So now we want this so we just take for the negative side. So you can write your answer now. The answer is x dot dot x is less than and equal to 1. Okay, remember this. Follow the question, or because you have 2, x is more than 5. Okay, you need to be careful with this, more than 5 only, because just now I already say when you put this size it include the value you use, but when you put this size then it's not you include the value you use. So when you not include the value, then it means the x is not include 5. So your answer will not be like 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. This condition happened. So this is the answer for this question, and that's all from me. Thank you.